At the core of every RK&K project is a team dedicated to creative solutions, and our ecological restoration team is no exception. Comprised of more than 50 engineers and scientists, we are a leader in stream restoration with a proven record of innovative, sustainable, and cost-effective designs. Our highly skilled team uses a holistic approach to ecological restoration, emphasizing design techniques that are on the leading edge of the industry. Solutions are carefully and creatively designed to ensure our work stands the test of time and the restored environment flourishes. Fueled by the compelling requirements and deadlines of the Chesapeake Bay TMDL program and wetland waterway mitigation, our team is eagerly searching for talented and dedicated professionals who share our passion for restoring natural habitats. Learn more about the open positions we currently have at our website, rkk.com. We look forward to working with you to solve our ecological challenges.
Come join our team.
Come join us.
Come join our team.